everyone. So guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I am Tanmay. So guys, in this video I am gonna to show you how to change display language in your Windows 10 or in your Windows 11 PC. So guys, without wasting the time, let's start the video. So let's begin. So guys, this is my PC screen. So guys, firstly you should be open the settings. So I open the settings, then please wait, and then go to the time and language. So I clicked on here, then go to language, then scroll down and you can see a option that add a language. So click on here, then search your language what you want to display. Then I am gonna to search Japanese. So this is the Japanese language. I am adding my Windows screen language is Japanese because I can understand a little bit of Japanese. So now it's downloading. Here you can see it's pending. So after few minutes, when the language will be added on my, let's see, this language is downloading now. So after a few minutes, when the language will downloaded, then I will show you how can I change the display language of my PC. So I'm gonna to skip this step. So let me skip this. Okay. So guys, now as you can see, my display language is the Japanese language is now downloaded. So I'm actually, and my Japanese language is edited, and now I will change the display language as a Japanese language because I can understand a little bit of Japanese. So here click on Japanese options and let me see the setting is correct or not. So okay, okay, settings is correct. So now click on Japanese and put Japanese as a top language. So I edit my Japanese language on top, then Windows display language, and my Windows display language is English US. So I changed my display language as Japanese. So I clicked on here, then you can then you should be click on yes, sign out now. Then then my language PC will be restart and the Japanese language is the Japanese language will added on the PC. So let me show you. So guys, I clicked on yes, sign out now. And then when you open your PC, it will magic. See this magic. Here is Japanese language. So let's move on the computer screen. So guys, now you can see my display language is changed as a Japanese language. See, see my settings, everything is now in Japanese language. If I open this PC, everything, see, and if I search anything on my Google Chrome, then it will be in Japanese language. See, like I'm searching, I'm typing my name in Japanese language. So this is not like this. This is my name in Japanese, and if I make a new file like txt file. See, the language will be in Japanese. Wait a minute, I typed my name in Japanese wrong. Yeah, this is my name in Japanese, and if I want to type hello, so it's a konnichiwa in Japanese. See, so this is the Japanese language, as you can see. And guys, if you want to change please wait. Okay, and guys, now if you want to change your display language in your language like in English, so let me show you this step. So if I type my name in Japanese, so it will like this. Okay, I already showed you. And if you can change the keyboard, click on here, this A, so it will be like that. So let me show you how to change your display language in English now. So if you made any mistake, like you don't know any language and you supposedly you changed your display language in another language, that language you don't know, then you can change like that. So follow my steps. Click on here, next click on here, then scroll down, and on this option you can reselect your language. So I'm selecting I'm selecting UK English. Okay, then click on left side option, then I'm gonna to click on here. So let me show you. So guys, now I redo the language in English. So now you can see the English language is come. Then you can see if you go to the settings, then see wait a minute please. Then you can see here the Japanese language, and if you want to change your keyboard in another language, then you can click on here, then here, then here. Okay, and if you want to type anything in another language, then click on here, then and then like you can type anything like this. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So this is my name in Japanese language. Okay, so guys, I'm going. So hopefully you enjoyed this video very well. So guys, bye bye. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or if you have any such queries, so you can use the comment box below. And if you are new in this channel, so guys, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to turn on notification bell icon for our daily updates. So guys, here we go. Bye bye.